Hey guys, how's it going? So this video might piss off a bunch of you guys. I totally understand it. I'm bearish on Aurora. It doesn't mean that Aurora can't go higher. But I'm bearish, and in this video we're going to be talking about my top 5 reasons why Aurora is not a buy. So my first reason is, just from a not a fundamental, but from a technical analysis, Aurora, it could spike up, but it would need some kind of news catalyst. First of all, the volume is still very, very weak. Today was a decent volume day, 6.43 million. That's not bad, but I think Aurora is still heading lower. I think Aurora is downtrending, and it will head down lower. That's my opinion, and I will give you my reasons. Reason number 1 is the charting. Obviously, it has potential to revert and go up, but it would need some kind of news catalyst, and Aurora doesn't seem to want to release any news catalyst. So short term, I think it's heading down lower. I could totally be wrong. This is not financial advice. So that's reason number 1. Reason number 2 is it's heavily shorted. 21.29 million shares. That's a lot of rich people shorting their stock. Obviously, they are bearish and they think the stock is heading down further. And I bet you anything, when the shorts get updated, when the shares get updated, the short position will be increased even more. My guess is going to be around 23 million shares shorted, around there. But I could be wrong. It'll get updated very soon here. We'll see. But I think that the stock is very heavily shorted. What I think happened today was nothing more than a pump. Somebody tried to pump the stock because and it was dangerous too, because today the market was down. It was red, and all the MJ stocks besides Canopy were down, and Aurora was the only one up. I think basically traders came in and just They saw a big push in the day. Somebody tried to push the stock up, sold off, and then traders came in and they pushed the stock up again. And I think it'll probably sell off again. I could be wrong. We'll see what happens in the near future. If you absolutely disagree with all my reasons, please give me a thumbs down. Because you guys obviously think I'm wrong and you think the stock price is heading up higher. Everybody wants the stock price to head higher. If you are holding the stock, of course you want the stock to go higher. I'm not holding the stock. I tried to buy a put option today when the stock rallied, but I don't think it exercised. So no put option for me, but if the stock keeps running, I'm going to be buying put options. I am very bearish on the entire MJ sector, and I think it's going to head down low. And I think any kind of pop or any kind of rally will be a good chance to buy put options. Again, that's my opinion. So, now reason number 3. So, reason number 1 is the charting, the technical analysis. Reason number 2 is huge amount of short selling. Don't fight short sellers. Reason number 3 is they diluted shareholders another 500,000 shares. That's reason number 3. So they used at the market, and they diluted shareholders another 500,000 shares. So that doesn't show very much confidence if they keep diluting. And they will continue to dilute. So if the stock spikes massively, I think they're going to use that to keep diluting, because they need the money to continue to grow. And who's going to get tossed on the bus? That's right, shareholders. So I think the stock's heading down lower. That's just my opinion. We'll see though. We'll see what happens. I could be totally wrong, and Aurora could come out with some amazing news on Monday or next week, and the stock will just skyrocket. That's a total possibility. Aurora is by the news event. So earnings is a news event. CEO is a news event. you know, it could happen anytime, and the stock could be pushed up massively, and it could be a massive short squeeze. But for the moment, I think the stock is heading lower. So, and then my fourth reason why I think Aurora is heading down lower is Terry Booth selling stock. If he truly believed that the stock price was going to keep going up, he wouldn't have sold his position. He sold his position because he probably believes that the stock price is heading down lower. Again, you know, this shows, like, he sold literally almost $2 million worth of stock in a matter of a couple weeks. So that shows me extreme bearishness. And then my fifth reason is the HMMJ. The HMMJ does not look bullish at all. It looks bearish. Look at the MACD. It's downtrending. So I believe that MJ stocks are heading down lower. Could be wrong. We need a major catalyst for the stock to move up, like an earnings report. And no, there are earnings report coming up in July. So, I mean, June and the first week of July could be a rough month. But, you know, maybe in sometime in the middle of July, things will look a lot more positive when Afria and Afria and Organigram reports earnings. You know, that could be a catalyst for the entire industry. Canopy, you know, I don't know what to make of Canopy. Like, Canopy looks like it's downtrending, but this could be, you know, it could start uptrending. I have no idea. The more it uptrends, the more overvalued it becomes. I'm still bearish on the MJ sector. I could totally be wrong, and I could get I could get bitten off. Tilray today was down 26 cents. Another reason, but that's not really part of it. Tilray is a different thing. Kronos Group was also down today. Afria was also down a little bit today. Hexo was also down today, and Organigram was also down today. So a lot of MJ stocks are down today. The market is it's going to be very volatile for a while. A lot of people would, you know, because Jeremy or something, the kangaroo market, where it hops around a lot and not really a bull or a bear. It just bounces around a lot. There's going to be a consistent wave of bad news. It's going to be like bad news, good news, bad news, good news, like all the time. So the market is going to be extremely volatile. It's not going to just go straight up to its 52-week high. It's going to probably go down, go up, go down, go up a lot. That's what I think is going to happen. I could be wrong. Apple today was down $1.39. Sorry, down $2, 0.57%. Apple should go down a lot more, but, you know, the market doesn't care. Hexo is down. Trading sideways. I already talked about Hexo and Afria. Genus brand tried to break out today, but it didn't. Not to that. Tesla was Tesla. I don't know too much. Tesla is a bubble. I think it's probably going to trade around $1,000 for a while, but when earnings come around, that's going to be an interesting story. We'll see what happens with earnings. GameStop. I'm going to be making another video over the weekend for GameStop, so prepare. I think it's going to be an interesting video. So watch it if you're interested. Don't watch it if you're not. Carnival Corporation. I made so much money off Carnival today. In the morning, I bought some put options at 50 cents. I sold it out at 95 cents. I could have waited a little bit longer and made, like, you know, over 100% in my return on investment, because I sold it at 95 cents, but the stock continued to go down, and I could have sold it out at, you know, 100%. So more than 100%, like $1.20 or something like that. But I sold it out at 95 cents, lost out on that. But as soon as it crashed all the way to 7.55, I bought some more call options. I bought 30 call options at 10 cents for $18. that was going to expire literally by the end of the day. And the stock rallied a little bit, and I sold it out at $1. Wait, did I sell $1? No, sorry, I sold it out at 20 cents. So I bought 10 cents call options, and I sold it out at 20 cents. So I made 100% on my return on my investment, which was pretty awesome. And then before the market closed, I bought put options that were gonna expire next week because I'm bearish on Carnival, and I think Carnival is heading down further. So yeah, that's gonna be an interesting play. Yeah, IQ today, not too much to say about that. Went down. Should have bought some. Should have camped IQ. Would have been a nice play. Had a nice bounce early in the morning. Would have been a nice time to buy some put option. Wasn't paying attention to it. Was more paying attention to Carnival. Oh well, whatever. Space down 18 cents. Planet 13 is trading sideways. Liberal Health Science trading sideways. Harvest Health is down 7 cents. Ianthus trading sideways. True Eve had a nice little small correction today. Oh, it looked like it just traded sideways. Madman probably traded sideways. Oh, Madman had a nice little pop near the end of the day. Kira probably had a pop near the end of the day. Yep, kind of. Cresco Labs traded sideways today. Vero Health traded sideways today. Slang kind of flat. Bitcoin traded sideways today. High Blockchain Technology down 1.5 cents a day. Not too much to say about that. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.